Hello everybody, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I thought I would show you a flip through of this little patchwork journal that I made, and I used it to record some of the flowers from our garden and some flowers that we've just seen on our rambling hikes. So this is my flower and plant journal from May to August. Probably actually July, but I'm going to put August. Uh-oh, I got the wrong pen. Oh well. It's not, this is brown, this is black now. So, yeah. So anyway, I have a little tag here, and I didn't write anything on that, which I'm surprised. I thought I did. I could have put a picture on there, too. This is an allium, and I thought this dandelion kind of looked like the oh my goodness. I thought this dandelion stamp kind of looked like the allium plant, so that's why I put that there. Azalea, rhododendron, poppy, wild columbine, native columbine, iris. This is called Star of Bethlehem, blue flag iris, bloody crane's bill. That's what that is. I don't know. Some of these I identified through a plant app, and I'm not sure how accurate they are. Like this one. Not sure if that's really what it is. But anyway, I thought it was wild geranium, or geranium, some kind of geranium. This is the white azalea. This is bleeding heart. We live in upstate New York, so anything that says native is native to upstate New York. Hibiscus. Some daisies. This thing was identified as evening primrose. I'm not sure how accurate that is. This I do know is an elderberry bush. Daylily. This tag is for the next page. This is just a tiger swallowtail on some milkweed, which is native. Elderberry again. This was called lobed tickweed. Culver's root, native yarrow, all the native plants we planted on purpose. Fleabane, black-eyed Susans, milkweed, purple coneflower, cannabis is not native. This is called a, oh, what was it? Eye-spotted lady beetle. That's what that is. Never seen one like that. It's like a ladybug, tiny, very tiny. Black-eyed Susan again. This is called Indian blanket, or blanket flowers, also called. That we planted. Creeping bellflower. That was here before we moved in. Here's a more open purple coneflower. There's the Culver's root again. This is American blue vervain. This was on the Susquehanna River. We went hiking there. This was also on the Susquehanna River. Swamp milkweed. This was Canada lily, which I'd like to get some for our yard. Wall hawkweed. I don't know how accurate that is, but that's hawkweed. Then we have our frog that was in our pond. Still is. There's two of them now. More creeping bellflower and Culver's root. More hibiscus. Oop, there's a message for me. More tickweed, a red coneflower. This was my Turk's cap lily as it started getting ready to bloom. There's one bloom there. There's another one. Chicory or cornflower. Gladiolas. Marigolds. Russian sage. Another frog. This is a different frog. This is called the Devil's Paintbrush. This is called Agastache, which is also native. And there's where all the Turk's cap lilies were open there. Bee balm, Joe pieweed, which is also native. This is dill. And then we have Indian blanket showing through the dill. I thought that was kind of neat. So we've got that. Last one is close-ups of the Turk's cap lily. And that is it for this journal. I did not put anything in here. There's just like a little pink note card in there. So I can journal on that. But that's the end of this one. If I get any more plants, I'll have to start a new little journal. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're happy, safe, and And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.